It's 2026, and people still ask if the Galaxy S25 Ultra is worth buying. This is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, still one of Samsung's most talked phones. Right out of the box, the titanium build feels premium and extremely solid. The titanium frame feels strong and very well balanced in hand. It's a large phone, but the weight distribution feels surprisingly comfortable. Let's power it on and see how quickly everything comes to life. Samsung's boot animation is clean, minimal, and very fast.
The display immediately stands out with clarity and smooth motion.
This screen gets incredibly bright while keeping reflections under control. The flat display makes everyday use feel more practical and precise.
Snapdragon 8 Elite makes every interaction feel instant and effortless. Multitasking stays smooth even with heavy daily usage.
Gaming performance remains stable during longer sessions.
One UI runs extremely fluid at 120 Hz.
Even heavy use doesn't drain the battery too quickly.
– 45-watt charging reaches around 65% in 30 minutes. Battery performance feels dependable rather than flashy. The 5000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day.
Daylight photos look sharp, balanced, and very natural.
Shutter speed can sometimes feel a bit slow. Three times zoom looks clean, and 5 times still keeps impressive detail.
Thermal control is impressive, with no uncomfortable heat buildup.
The 200-megapixel main camera captures impressive detail.
Wireless charging is reliable and convenient.
Sketch to image is fun, but results can be inconsistent. The S Pen remains incredibly accurate and responsive.
Bluetooth features are gone, and some users will miss them.
This video quality is excellent with strong stabilization and HDR.
Galaxy AI adds smart features that help in daily use.
7 years of updates make this a strong long-term phone. Low light performance is strong in most situations.
3 and 5 times optical zoom are both very usable. Call transcription is one of the most practical AI tools.
In 2026, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is still a serious flagship.